Good evening, my dear students and my dear friends and my dear parents. My name is Abhishek Das, and you are watching Vision Academy online classes. Today, we will study class 6, Honeysuckle, chapter 4, textbook. The name of this chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So she is a very famous woman, as you know that in different parts of the world she was a very famous scientist, and in some of the competitive exam also many questions comes about Kalpana Chawla. So today we'll start, or you can say today we'll study about her. What is the life story of Kalpana Chawla? So first of all, little bit I will translate in Assamese about a chapter, and after that I will explain in English. So Kalpana Chawla এজন সাইণ্টিষ্ট আছিলে, এজনী সাইণ্টিষ্ট আছিলে ভাৰতৰ, কিন্তু তাই পিছত গৈ পেলাই চিটিজেনশ্বিপ লৈ লৈছিলে আমেৰিকাৰ। চ' ক'ব গ'লে তাৰ জন্ম চব আমাৰ ভাৰততে হৈছিলে। চ' ইয়াত কি কৈছে, কল্পনা চাওলা সৰুৰ পৰা সপোন আছিলে যেন তাই এটা সাইণ্টিষ্ট হ'ব বুলি। তাৰ জন্ম কাৰ্ণালত আছিলে, কাৰ্ণাল হাৰিয়ানা তাতে হৈছিলে। তাৰপিছত কি হ'ল, তাই টেগৰ স্কুলৰ পৰা গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন কৰিলে। তাৰপিছত তাৰ মা দেউতাক তাই কৈছে যে মই ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং কৰিম, তো ভাল এটা ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং কলেজক তাক এডমিশ্যন দিলে। এডমিশ্যন দিয়াৰ পিছত তাতে ডিগ্ৰী কৰিলে ছায়েন্সৰ, বেচেলৰ অফ ছায়েন্স ডিগ্ৰী ইন এৰ'নটিকেল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং, তোমালোকে চাই আছাই চাগে। তাৰপিছত সি ভাবিছে যে না, মই এতিয়া ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং কৰাৰ পিছত, বেচেলাৰ ডিগ্ৰী কৰাৰ পিছত তাৰ এতিয়া মন গৈছে মাষ্টাৰ্ছ কৰাৰ, মাষ্টাৰৰ কথা আহিছে তাৰ মাইণ্ডত। তাৰপিছত তাই মাষ্টাৰ্ছ কৰিছে এৰ'নটিকেল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিঙত। তাৰপিছত আকৌ PhD কৰিলে, ঠিক আছে। PhD কৰাৰ পিছত তাই কি হ'ল, তাই লাহে লাহে US-ৰ চিটিজেনশ্বিপ লৈ লৈছে, US-ৰ চিটিজেনশ্বিপ লৈ লৈছে। তাৰপিছত US-তেই তাই এজন ল'ৰা এজনক ভাল পাইছে, তাৰ লগত বিয়া হ'ল। ল'ৰাজনৰ নাম হ'ল জেন পিয়াৰী হেৰিছন, ঠিক আছে, জেন পিয়াৰী হেৰিছন। বিয়া হোৱাৰ পিছত তাই এটা অপৰচুনিটি পাইছে, কি পাইছে, যেন তাই আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখনত, বা ইউ কেন চে ডেট, তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰা যেন আমাৰ আৰ্থত তাই প্ৰথম মহিলা আছিলে, মহিলাগৰাকী স্পেচত যাবলৈ। তো যেতিয়া তাৰ PhD কমপ্লিট হ'ল, বিয়া হ'ল, তাৰপিছত তাৰ ইচ্ছা আছিলে নাছা। তোমালোকেতো গম পোৱা চাগে, নাছা চবতকৈ মানে ওপৰত আছে আমাৰ চাইণ্টিষ্ট, এইটো তোমাৰ এই USA-ত আছে, ঠিক আছে। চ' তাই কি কৰিলে, তাই এটা পৰীক্ষা দিলে, নাছাত যাবৰ কাৰণে তাৰ ইচ্ছা হ'ল। তাৰ এটা পৰীক্ষা দিলে, পৰীক্ষাটোৰ নাম হ'ল নাছা স্পেচ শ্বাটল প্ৰগ্ৰাম। তাতে তাই এপ্লাই কৰিলে। তাৰপিছত তাতে তাই পাছ কৰাৰ পিছত তাক চাইণ্টিষ্ট হিচাপত নাছাই লৈ লোৱাৰ পিছত 1994-ত তাই কি কৰিলে, নাছাত ট্ৰেইনিং কৰিলে। কিহৰ কাৰণে? চাইণ্টিষ্টৰ কাৰণে। স্পেচত যাবৰ কাৰণে। তাৰপিছত কি হ'ল, তো চব ভালেই চলি আছিলে, ঠিক ঠাক চলি আছিলে, তাই ট্ৰেইনিঙত আছিলে। তাৰপিছত তাই যেতিয়া স্পেচত আছিলে, স্পেচত কিমান দিন আছিলে, 15 দিন, 16 ঘণ্টা 34 মিনিট আছিলে। আৰু তাই গোটেই আৰ্থ, যোনটো আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখন, তাই 252 টাইমছ ঘূৰিছে। এই 15 দিনত 252 টাইমছ ঘূৰিছে। তাৰ লগত আৰু বহুতকেইটা চাইণ্টিষ্ট আছিলে, তাৰ মাজত জাপানীজ চাইণ্টিষ্ট আছিলে, ইউক্ৰেইনৰ চাইণ্টিষ্ট আছিলে। সিহঁতে ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰিছিলে যেন আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখনত কি কি খাদ্য পোৱা যায়, গাছ পাচলিৰ পৰা শাক পাচলিৰ পৰা কি কি খাদ্য পোৱা যায়, ঠিক আছে, কি কি খাদ্য পোৱা যায়। তাৰপিছত কম্পিউটাৰ, সৰু সৰু কম্পিউটাৰৰ চিপ যেন থাকে, সৰু সৰু কম্পিউটাৰ চিপ, এইবোৰ বস্তু কেনেকুৱা বনাব পাৰে, এইবিলাকৰ কাৰণে ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰি আছিলে স্পেচত। তাৰপিছত শনিবাৰৰ ৰাতি এটা খবৰ আহিলে যেন সিহঁতৰ যোনটো ৰকেট আছে এইটো ক্ৰাছ হৈ গ'ল। তাৰপিছত তাতে মৃত্যু হ'ল তাৰ। কাৰ্নালৰ যোনকেইটা মানুহ আছিলে, য'ত তাৰ জন্ম আছিলে, জন্মস্থান আছিলে, চব মানুহবোৰ সেইদিন ৰাতি হোৱা নাই। সেইদিনা ৰাতি গোটেই চব মানুহ খালি ভগৱানৰ পৰা প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছিলে যেন তাই বাচি যাওক বুলি। তাৰপিছত যেতিয়া তাই পৃথিৱীখনৰ ওপৰত আছিলে, ঘূৰি আছিলে, গোটেই পৃথিৱীখন চাই আছিলে ঘূৰি ঘূৰি, তাই এটা লাইন লিখিছিলে। এই লাইনটো হ'ল যেন তোমালোকে যেতিয়া সপোন চাবা, তো সপোনটো তোমালোকে ৰিয়েলিটি কৰি বনাবা। চব বস্তু সৰুৰ পৰা ডাঙৰ হয়, কোনোবা ডাইৰেক্ট ডাঙৰ মানুহ কেতিয়াও নহয়। তোমালোকৰ মনত সাহস থাকিব লাগিব যেন মই যোনটো সপোন দেখিছোঁ এই সপোনটো মই কৰিব পাৰিম বুলি। চ' এইবোৰ হয় এইটো কাহানী। এতিয়া মই ইংলিছত ক'ম। Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal and her ambition was to go to a frontier of space. So that she had graduated from Tagore School. After graduating from Tagore School, she was admitted in engineering college. Her parents was fully support with her. After taking admission in engineering college, he completed a bachelor's of science degree in aeronautical engineering. Against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman to blast from the launch pad at Canaveral, Florida, and participated in a successful mission in space. Her family from India chatted along with staff and the Kennedy Space Center as there was the Columbia liftoff. After the Bachelor of Science, she was already graduated. After that, she decided to complete his master's. So, she flew to the USA for completing a master's degree, and after that, she had taken their PhD. After taking PhD degree, he was the first Indian American to go to the space. So, first, the rocket which will carry the Kalpana Chawla, the rocket was in Cape Canaveral, Florida. From Florida, they will flew. And it was a very successful mission. Her family was very proud of her because she was the first Indian woman. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison. Laterly, she was married to a US citizen. The name of her husband was Jane Perry Harrison. After married, she taken the American citizenship. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Not only she was a scientist, but along with that, she was a single-engine seaplane and glider. She was a pilot also. She can flew the seaplane, gliders. Okay. After that, her ambition was to go to the NASA to become a scientist from NASA. So she had applied in NASA Space Shuttle program. After that, she had applied. She had given the exam. In that exam, she was selected, and as a research scientist, they were hired her. In 1994, she was selected as an astronaut for going to the space. and her training was also started in 1994. When asked what it was like being a woman in a field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small or different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else. I followed them. And people who were always around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. While she was a child, she had no ambition, but after literally while she was doing her bachelor's, she had decided that I was belonging to a small town girl. So her ambition was that to go to the space. So she ran to achieve her dream. And along with that, her parents was one of the most supportive person. Kalpana first mission is Space Shuttle Columbus 15 days 1634 long. While she had been gone into the space, she was there in for 15 days and 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. She had traveled 252 times around the space. About 10.45 million kilometers she had traveled. Along with that, she was not alone. Along with that, she had one Japanese astronaut was also there along with her, and Ukraine scientist or also astronaut was also there. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth and tests for making stronger metals, faster computer chips, all for a price tag of $56 million. Her research was that what are the plants are there in the space, whether there is a life is there or not. So this kind of experiment they were doing. On Saturday night, when the news of the Colombian disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Canal Spain despair as the thousands of households stayed glued to their television set in the house of Kalpana, and the crew had somehow survived, a journalist wrote. After that, in Saturday night, suddenly there was a news that their rocket was crushed. The people of Karnal was crying literally. All the people. They were praying to the God that she would alive. But unfortunately, she was dead. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies and had become inspiration. She was basically belonged from a very small town girl. So Kalpana Chawla, by seeing or by heard the story of Kalpana Chawla, many young generation or many young Indians were much influenced by hearing the story. While she was in space, she had given a message that the path from dream to success does exist. May you have the vision to find the courage to get on it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off a journey to fulfill them. She has wrote this line that whatever you have seen the dream, just try to achieve it. Don't see in the back, always see in the front side. One day surely you will become a success. So this is the story about the Kalpana Chawla. It is a very interesting story. So hope you like this story. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.